Hello guys, in this video I want to show you where can you see your transactions in the Amazon Shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the second option. After doing so, you should scroll down a little bit until you will find your account section, and right next to it you should click on the see all option. Now after you have done that, you should scroll down a little bit here, and under the payments category you should select the first option here, which is your payments. And you can see that by default we are in the wallet section, and right next to it you can see the transactions, and if you click on it you can see all your transactions here. Now in my case I don't have any transactions listed here because I haven't bought anything in this app, but if you're a regular user and you have bought at least one thing in this app, you will see that a transaction here. So basically this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.